Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I know I want to see the title and you guys already know what this video is about. I am going to be reacting to natural hairstyles on TikTok. I've done like 3 or 4 of these videos, but I did the black girl magic, I did type 4 hair, and I also did hair fails, like natural hairstyle fails, and also natural hair memes. Go check those out. I'll have the link down below for those videos. But anyways, we're just gonna hop into this video, so let's hop into it. I'm gonna be doing the screen recording on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Go check out that video as well, my unboxing. And action. Ignore me.
You're pretty and you're dark, but Alicia was like too dark. What? You know, like those girls who are super dark, like midnight dark. Alicia not that dark, because they're too what?
Too what?
Gorgeous. Melanated to perfection. You're not going to insult my fellow sisters in a pathetically futile attempt to compliment me. Because there is no such thing as too dark. There are only levels upon levels of gorgeous melanated glory. The thing about my sisterhood is, you come for one of us, you've come for all of us.
I knew she was going to say that.
Team, and we know that when we support each other, no one can stand in our way. You pretty and you're dark, but Alicia was like too dark.
Listen again. Listen.
You know, like those
lesson learned.
Super dark,
listen.
Like midnight dark. Alicia not that dark, because they're too what? Gorgeous. Melanated to perfection. You're not going to insult my fellow sisters in a pathetically futile attempt to compliment me, because there is no such thing as too dark. There are only levels upon levels of gorgeous melanated glory. The thing about my sisterhood is, you come for one of us, you've come for all of us, because we're a team, and we know that when we support each other, no one can stand in our way.
She is so beautiful. Her hair is like, listen, I don't even have to point out what is beautiful about her. Everything is beautiful about her. I love the way she did her high puff goals, and what she said, on point. Yeah, I want every black girl to think this way, you know. Always defend yourself, defend your skin color, just, you know, go all up for it. Yeah. Bruh, that was perfect. Is not even the word for her perm rod, her results. If I can get that result, ooh, listen, that was perfect. Did you see those curls? But girl, you did that. It came out so freaking bomb. Love it for you, girl. Love it for you.
My favorite hairstyles for black women 80th. My favorite hairstyles.
I've always wanted to try that ginger color, but I don't know if that's gonna go well with me. But it's beautiful. The ginger, yeah, I see a couple of ginger color in this video. Oh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I love her smile. Always.
10, 9.
Her smile is everything. You're here too, girl. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Beautiful. Always love your TikTok videos.
When a beat drop, I'ma get straight to life. Give it on. Give it on. Give it on. When a beat drop, I'ma get straight to life.
That came out really cute. Cocoon curls on curly hair. Oh, that's what I hope I pronounced it right. I've never tried that TGIN brand. I need to try it. Not even Camille Rose. I need to try them. Fleeky. Did you see how laid and slayed her edges were? To perfection.
Yes, ma'am. So I have 2 braids and then 2 Bantu knots that I parted to about the middle of my ears, and then the rest is just 2 puffs. I'd love to see when you're done. Oh, I forgot my money pieces. I call these my money pieces. I know that those go in the middle, but I don't care. Yes, ma'am.
You know how many people would want that hair color? Like, her hair color is just perfect. I love it. Like, it's just one color and it's so pretty. It's like that 613 color. You guys know, if you guys are into hair like weave and stuff, that's that 613 and it's pretty. Love it, girl. Who's next? Bomb curls, girl. Bomb curls. What that song got me is the music. And I could put it in a bun. That's my favorite part. And I could put it in a bun. When the first time I put my hair in a ponytail, that was the song I was singing on Instagram story. Look at my hang time. I put my hair in a bun for the first time after Big Chop and everything. That was my song. But yes, girl, I love your hang time. Perfecto.
Natural hairstyles ideas.
Sometimes I see these girls with, like, you know, you straighten your natural hair and I'm like, gosh, I want to try it so bad. Should I try it for my birthday? Because it looks so nice and you can actually see your real length. But I'm scared. I'm scared of heat. Putting heat on my hair. But they look so cute. My goodness. Let's find some real hairstyle, like some real. Oh, Crown K, I found her.
I'm
I can always depend on Crown K to come through with the most lit, I can't even find the word, the most lit hairstyles. I can always depend on Crown K. Always. Always. Love her. She's Jamaican too, by the way. Come on, we're those are cute. Pretty decent. Pretty decent, she says. Come on, where are the bomb hairstyles? Like, come on, where are they? I see a lot, but I need more. If you get what I mean, you know? A little more. That was really cute. I think I tried that hairstyle when I had when I was transitioning. I tried that hairstyle. Pretty decent, pretty cute. Love it for you, girl. Work your bangs. Your bangs. Work it. Listen, I tried this top knot thingy one time. I have the video, I still uploaded it. It was a hot mess. This was perfect. I love it. It's cute. If mine could come out like that, yeah, we could have talked, but mine was nothing like that.
I'm gonna give you what you asked for. First, you take out 5 braids in like the front of your head. I need 5 because my forehead big. Then you split the rest of the hair down in the middle. Put one side in a ponytail and leave 1 braid in the back out. Put the other side in the ponytail and leave a braid out again. Now you wrap the braid you left out around the hair so it can cover the hair tie. Then you take the hair you use it for the swoop and you take it through the back and put it in the band with the other side. Then you wrap the braid around the hair tie again. I don't know why I'm making these faces. I just didn't know what to do. I'm sorry. And that's it. Thank you. Follow me on Instagram, please. I'm gonna give you what.
Okay, I see you, girl. I see you doing your thing. Her too. I like her styles too. Let's see.
You're pretty and you're dark, but at least you're not like too dark. What? You know, like those girls who are super dark, like midnight dark. At least you're not that dark, because they're too what? Gorgeous, melanated to perfection. You're not going to insult my fellow sisters in a pathetically futile attempt to compliment me, because there is no such thing as too dark. There are only levels upon levels of gorgeous melanated glory. The thing about my sisterhood is, you come for one of us, you've come for all of us, because we're a team, and we know that when we support each other, no one can stand in our way. So if you don't want to support us or join our team, that's fine. You're free to do whatever you want. Just don't get angry, when we're out here scoring goals without you. Just rest assured, we're out here scoring goals.
Cute. Very cute. She really cutting her hair? I've watched this before.
Do it. It's not worth it.
I've seen this before.
I'm not gonna do it, girl. I'm just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just thinking about 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 it. I did it.
I think that's crochet here, because I think she posted another picture saying another video. So I think this is crochet here, because when I first watched it I was like, oh, your hair looks so healthy, don't cut it. But her natural hair under is also healthy too, you know. But yeah. Very cute. Okay, squad, so that's it for my little video reacting to natural hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video. Also comment down below what you think of these videos that I just shared. Comment your favorite ones, comment your thoughts, let me know what you think. Also, please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for the support, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.